What if I told you that your business is throwing away money every single day? And I'm not talking about inefficient processes or bad decisions. I'm talking about literally throwing valuable resources in the trash. Today, I'm going to show you how the world's smartest companies are turning their waste into wealth using something called the circular economy. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start doing the same. Here's what we're covering today. First, I'll explain the circular economy using simple analogies that anyone can understand. No confusing jargon. Then I'll show you exactly how this applies to your business, with real examples you can implement immediately. And finally, I'll give you a practical assessment tool to identify opportunities in your own operations. Let me start with a story. Picture the most efficient restaurant kitchen you've ever seen. The chef doesn't just cook and throw scraps away. Instead, watch this. Vegetable peels become compost for the herb garden. Food waste feeds local farms' animals. Used cooking oil gets converted to biodiesel for delivery trucks. Even coffee grounds become fertilizer for the rooftop garden. This is circular thinking in action, where the waste from one process becomes valuable input for another. Now contrast this with a wasteful kitchen, where everything goes straight to the garbage bin. Same ingredients, same food quality, but dramatically different resource efficiency and costs. The question is, which kitchen does your business look like? Before we go further, I want you to think about this. What's the biggest waste in your business right now? Drop a comment below and let me know. Let's bring this home with something you'll recognize. Take a typical office building. Traditional linear approach. Buy new computers. Use for 3 to 5 years. Throw in storage or disposal. Purchase paper. Print documents. Shred and discard. Order office furniture. Use until worn. Replace entirely. Smart circular approach. Buy computers. Use them. Refurbish for junior staff. Harvest components. Recycle materials. Purchase paper. Print. Shred for packaging material. Compost or recycle. Order modular furniture. Use. Replace worn components only. Remanufacture panels. The circular approach turns cost centers into revenue streams. Let me give you a concrete example. Your company smartphones. When employees upgrade, what happens to the old devices? Here's the smart circular approach. Step 1. Reuse. Functional phones become backup devices or go to new employees. Step 2. Refurbish. Slightly damaged phones get repaired and resold. Step 3. Harvest. Non-functional phones provide spare parts for repairs. Step 4. Recover. Finally, precious metals get extracted for new electronics. The business impact? Instead of losing 100% of your technology investment at replacement, you recover 30 to 60% of the value through this cascading approach. That's real money back in your pocket. If you're starting to see opportunities in your own business, hit that like button. It tells me this content is valuable to you, and it helps other business leaders find these strategies too. Now let me share 2 powerful strategies you can implement immediately. Strategy number 1, smart substitution. When faced with expensive or scarce materials, ask, what else could achieve the same result? Here's an example. A packaging company facing rising cardboard costs discovered that used textile materials from clothing returns could be processed into protective packaging inserts. They solved 2 problems simultaneously. Strategy number 2, service over sales. Instead of selling products that become someone else's disposal problem, sell the service those products provide. Rather than selling office printers, provide document services. You maintain the machines, supply materials, and handle all equipment lifecycle management. Customers get better service, you get recurring revenue, and equipment gets professionally managed through multiple life cycles. Now here's where this gets really interesting for your business. All of this depends on one critical capability: reverse logistics. Without reverse logistics, great circular intentions, but no practical way to capture value. With strategic reverse logistics, a systematic approach to turning returns, waste, and end-of-life products into new revenue streams. This is exactly what we specialize in at Antel Solutions. We help businesses see their reverse logistics not as a necessary evil, but as a strategic advantage. The real business benefits go way beyond feel-good sustainability: cost reduction through resource recovery, new revenue streams from returned products, supply chain resilience when global disruptions hit, customer loyalty through seamless returns processes. Okay, let's make this actionable. I call this the kitchen test. Ask yourself these 4 questions. What do we currently throw away that might have value to someone else? What expensive inputs could we replace with recovered materials? Could we sell services instead of products in any part of our business? How efficiently do we handle returns and end-of-life products? Write these down. Seriously, pause the video if you need to. These questions will reveal opportunities you've been missing. If you want more practical business strategies like this, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We share new insights frequently. Here's what I want you to remember. The circular economy isn't just environmental responsibility, it's smart business. Companies that master these principles create competitive advantages through lower material costs, new revenue streams, enhanced customer relationships, and reduced regulatory risks. Our recommendation? Start with your returns process. It's the easiest place to begin circular thinking and often delivers immediate results. Those returned products aren't just problems to solve, they're opportunities to unlock. If you're ready to turn your returns into revenue, we'd love to help. At Antel Solutions, we specialize in transforming returns from cost centers into profit centers. Visit our website in the link below to learn more about how we can help unlock the circular economy potential in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more business strategies that actually work. And remember, the circular economy isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every step towards circular thinking improves both your bottom line and your environmental impact.